Beautiful, pretty, handsome, there are plenty of good-looking people around the world, and we all have fallen for one before. Being good-looking is not just about having a good-looking face, it's more than that, way more. It's about the body, looks, appeal. And a charming personality will surely be a bonus. When it comes to beauty, oftentimes you'll hear people talking about women, but have you ever wondered about the most handsome man in the world? Well, if you do, then you are lucky. Welcome to the X List, and today we're counting down our top picks on the most handsome man in the world for this year. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Number 1, Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan is considered to be the most handsome man in the world as well as the most handsome man in India. Born on January 10, 1974, in India, Hrithik Roshan is the most handsome, most famous actor and dancer, as well as the richest one in Bollywood. And to be honest, he truly deserves to be on top of the list because of his attractive looks, charming personality and great talents. In fact, he is considered to be the knight in shining armor to a lot of Indian girls as well as girls all around the world. In 2000, Hrithik married with Susan Khan. Unfortunately, this marriage didn't last, as they divorced after 14 years of marriage in 2014. As for his career, just like his other movies, his first movie, Kaho Na Pyar Hai, was the biggest box office hit. Roshan is not only a talented person, but he is a nice one too, that's why he is involved in various humanitarian and charitable works. Number 2, Brad Pitt. Our top 10 most handsome man in the world list won't be complete without the mention of this good-looking actor. With his very attractive eyes, his deep manly voice, and his charming smile, this 56-year-old American actor is considered to be the most handsome actor in the world by many. He is also considered to be one of most attractive males that have ever been seen on screens. He has done many successful Hollywood movies such as Troy, Fight Club, Fury, World War Z and many more. He has also appeared in some television series such as Friends. This insanely good-looking actor has 2 Golden Globe Awards and 1 Academy Award for the role that he played, as the Best Supporting Actor in Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Number 3, Tom Cruise. Born on the 3rd of July 1962, Tom Cruise is the richest actor in the world. He is well known for his role of Ethan Carter in the action movie series Mission Impossible. In fact, his great, outstanding acting abilities allowed him to win 3 Golden Globe Awards, and he is an amazing producer as well. When it comes to looks, Tom is killing it. He has always been considered as one of the most handsome men ever seen, both on screen and real world. Women from all around the world are still crazy for his attractive looks and charming personality, even when some of them are way younger than him. In addition to being so handsome, he is well known for his amazing hairstyles. This what makes him a trendsetter in the world when it comes to looks and fashion. Number 4, Chris Evans. Mostly known for his famous movie Captain America, Chris Evans always made it to the top when it comes to the most handsome men around the globe lists. This means that our list won't be complete without him. Born on the 13th of June 1981 in the USA, Chris is an American actor that was featured in many top movies, such as Captain America, where he appeared in all 4 series, Civil War, The Paperboy, Fantastic Four, Fierce People and the list goes on and on. Chris Evans is very handsome, with his bold appearance and hot looks. He can make any lady go wild for him. The most impressive and appealing feature about him is probably his blue eyes that attractively stands out in different ways whenever he changes his hairstyle. So if you loved him and admired him in the movies, you will definitely love and admire him in the real life. Number 5, Ian Somerhalder. Born on the 8th of December 1978, and began his career at the age of 12, the tall, handsome American director and model is very popular and well known nowadays for his famous role in the television drama The Vampire Diaries. Not only does he have the perfect face, he also knows how to style his hair, which is more than enough to drive his female fans crazy every single time. Due to his successful television work, his female fans knows him as the Vampire. There are some sources that say that Ian might be the sexiest man alive on the history of television. After splitting up with Twilight star Ashley Greene, he got married to Nikki Reed in 2015, and they are living a happy life together with their cute little kid. This perfect family allowed him to be classified as one of the most handsome dads in the world. Other than his famous television work, Somerhalder has been a part of many successful movies like How to Make Love to a Woman, Lost, Caught on Tape, The Anomaly, and The Sensation of Sight. Number 6, Omar Borkan Al-Galla. Once was the most admired handsome guy by females in the Middle East, Omar Borkan Al-Galla is now one of the most handsome men in the world. Born on the 23rd of September, 1989, in Baghdad, Iraq, this insanely good-looking guy was too sexy for Saudi Arabia. Actually, he was asked to leave the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia because he was too good-looking. The reason for that is that there was some misunderstanding or maybe a chance of mishappening because of his irresistible looks. With his Arabic look, lovely smile and eagle eyes that stares deeply to your soul, he is considered as the most sought-out personality on the internet in 2013, and the most handsome man in the world in 2018. Other than his looks, Omar is so talented in the art department, this include poetry and acting. He is also the most handsome man with a beard. Number 7, Robert Pattinson. Popular with the name of Edward, the Twilight-famed Robert Pattinson is one of the most handsome men in the world, due to his charming personality and most importantly, his attractive face. Born on the 13th of May 1986 and started a career as a model, this handsome actor is considered to be the most loved man globally. This is due to the fact that he is loved by every young lady from all around the world. The special thing about him that makes him one of the most handsome men in the world is his mesmerizing eyes that are more than enough to make any girl go crazy. This handsome actor has romanced with a lot of beautiful actresses and celebrities. This include Twilight co-star Kristen Stewart and the singer and songwriter FKA Twigs. In April 2015, he got engaged with the latter. Unfortunately, their relationship didn't last that long, as they broke up in October 2017. This may sound like sad news for the community, but to his female fans globally, this is definitely good news. However, they shouldn't get their hopes too high. As per the recent reports, this actor is now dating the singer Mabel. It's true that she is not as famous as him, but she is well known among British music lovers. Even though she is 10 years younger than him, this relationship looks way more promising than his last ones, and this age difference will only shows how much girls are mad for him. This actor has been part of so many hit movies other than Twilight Saga. This include Harry Potter and Goblet of Fire, Queen of the Desert, Maps to the Stars, The Rover, The Childhood of a Leader and others. Number 8, Henry Cavill. Born May 5, 1983, Henry Cavill is a British actor that is well known to be good-looking. With his eye-catching looks and superior talent, Henry managed to get a role in a lot of successful movies and series, superheroes ones being the most famous, like Man of Steel, Batman vs Superman, Justice League, The Witcher and many others. However, he is mostly known as the Superman in the TV world. What makes Cavill special is probably his strong chiseled jawline, along with his amazing physique, which made him perfect for superheroes roles. Beside his career, this handsome man is a great person, as seen through the internet and social media, and you would really enjoy his company if you met him in person. Number 9, Bradley Cooper. From his romantic movie, He Is Not That Into You, to his comedy one, Hangover, we loved this handsome actor and admired him. In 2011, this 49-years-old cute actor was the People magazine's sexiest man alive, and the world's most handsome man. This means that we can confidently say that he is one of the most handsome men in the world. He can definitely catch any girl's attention with his ocean blue eyes and seductive smile. Not only that, he has a very charming personality, can speak several different languages and can cook very well. This makes him perfect in every single way, shape and form. He also has won 2 Grammys awards. Number 10, David Beckham. Just like Bradley Cooper, the famous footballer was once known as the sexiest man alive, and no one can disagree with this because he truly deserves it. Just look at him, and you'll see why, and even at the age of 44, women still go crazy over him. Not only he is considered as one of the most handsome men on the world, but also as one of the most marketable athletes in the sports world. So, that was it. Those were our top picks for the list of the most handsome man in the world for this year. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with friends and family who might be interested. Also, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. And tell us in the comments down below, which one of these men do you think is the most handsome? With that said, we'll see you in the next video.